Brian Young, ProToys.com, and this is the second car of the series, and this is this Jeep CJ-7, okay? Now, some people like this. I'm kind of indifferent between this car. I mean, it is an interesting car, but you don't have a person in it, and the seats are a little high, but that's just because of the way the car is made, all right? We're gonna open up the black one, I think. We're gonna open the black one, because I wanna show you some things about this car that I think they could make this a little better. I just think that the CJ's, it's just an interesting looking car, okay? I mean, it's a Jeep. What do I say? You know, it's got a front windshield that folds down, which is kind of cool. I think they should have put a little guy inside of here when they molded this thing. At least one little guy, okay? But it's a cool little car. It's a fun little car with the windshield folding down. All right. And that comes in a military style. It's a Golden Eagle, 1979 Jeep CJ-7 Golden Eagle. Golden Eagle, not a Blue Eagle, but a Golden Eagle. And this is Xtraction chassis. And this is a flamethrower. You could put a light in this. And that's your Xtraction chassis. See, now this is a prime example of how, you know, these are not really to scale. So this is a pickup truck, and this is the CJ-7. This would not be as big as this car in real life, okay? That's just how they did it to create the scale to fit on the Xtraction chassis, okay? And that's the basic simple thing about it. People always wonder, you know, why aren't things to scale? And well, you know, they just can't based on the chassis. You've got to get it to fit on the chassis, and so they have to make it to that scale, okay? So this is SC388, and this is the second car of the series, and these are the Jeep CJ-7s. At ProToys.com, ProToys.com, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and we will see you on the other side. And what's your name? You're Ulysses, right? You're my grandson, is that it? You're getting big, you know that? All righty. Okay, buddy, we'll see you later.